Hello everyone, welcome to Gmail tutorials. In this video we will see that how can we block a particular email address from sending us the emails. So block option is very similar in Gmail as it is in many social media sites or in fact into your phone. It actually blocks the particular email address to connect with you, to communicate with you. How do we do that? Let's see in this video. First of all, just select the email address you want to block. Suppose this is the email address I want to block. So what do? I open the conversation, click on these three dots. It shows me the option block mail delivery subsystem. It will show you the name of the email address and not the actual email address. Okay, so let's just click on block. So what will happen? Future messages from this particular email address will be marked as spam. You will see those messages, they will be able to send you the messages, but they would be marked as spam. If you mark a particular conversation or a particular thread as a spam, then that particular thread only is marked as spam, or the conversation in that particular thread is marked as spam. But if you start a new thread, then it won't be marked as spam. Similarly, if you want to mark all the emails received from a particular address as spam, you can simply block that particular email address. So I can click on this block. That email address is blocked, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.